This is a video demonstration on how to practice the songs on page 6. On page 6, you have the quarter notes that are open D string and open A string, and they are sometimes all written in one bar, which means you need to cross strings between the A and D and from A to D back down. Let's do a little practice on crossing strings. I'm going to be in playing position with my thumb placed here between the neck and where the violin meets. Fingers resting here comfortably, left arm away from my body. Getting my bow position ready. Index finger, middle, fourth, and pinky. I'm going to place my bow at the frog on the D string, and let's just do half notes. After 4 beats, please, and I'm going to freeze at the tip. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. I'm going to now lower my right entire arm, cross over to the A string without making any sound. Now I'm going to do an up bow stroke and stop at the frog. Here we go after 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop at the frog. I'm going to now raise my elbow just a bit so I can cross down back to the D string without making any sound from my violin. And now we'll do another half note. 3, 4. Stop, cross over to the A string by lowering your right arm. Swing back down to the D string. A string. Cross. Cross to A. Cross to D. Cross to A. Stop, cross. Stop bow, cross. Stop bow, cross to D. Stop bow, cross to A. So this is an excellent exercise on practicing going back and forth, for instance, on song number 19 on page 6 of the Brown Book.